you been working with Dex Media for so long? I can't put it.
You don't know this is Yannick Carve Diva, big up to Dex Media. Keep it locked.
Cheers. Yeah, what's up guys? Yeah, yours truly, Dex Media. Welcome back to my channel and big up everybody who subscribed to the channel and comment on the last video or we post the other day. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. So today I'm doing a vlog style with my photography and we have a beautiful model. You always see this model on our YouTube page and she's excited to meet you guys. Yeah, bless up on yourself and hope you enjoy it. We are here in Buff Bay, Portland, Spring Garden. This is Pauline Complex. Yeah man. Ready? Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, yours truly, Dex Media. And today we're doing a vlog style and a photo shoot journey. And we have a beautiful model right now. Her name is?
Deja Vu. Make sure it's set on a book Dex Media for the biggest and baddest quality pictures.
Wanna see how she look good, people? And she always up on the page, you know. A long time we not see her up on the page and I wonder who. A long time we are working with her though. So why you been working with Dex Media for so long? So why you been working with Dex Media for so long?
Well, truly, I must say the quality is great. Every time I take a picture, them they come out just the way how me want it. You get me? So it's everything what we are looking for. You get what I'm saying?
Don't break us down. Don't be sparkling.
Yeah, you have to say clean now.
Don't break us down. Don't be sparkling. Don't break us down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be sparkling.
People show you their buff beard.
Don't break us down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be sparkling.
They call it what? Sea view lawn. Yeah, sea
See, I
view
catch it?
lawn. See there? Sea view lawn. The place is Spring Garden to be exact though. There. So as you can see it. Alright. Entrance. Very big lawn. And you can host event over here and everything. And they have a little bar over there too. You can buy something to drink from that bar over there. Yeah, people, so lovely. Very, very nice.
Boardwalk.
Oh,
That's how it look in the picture.
oh, you look like a boardwalk.
Like on boardwalk. Like
Them put
that's
the bench there.
weird.
Yeah.
You see on boardwalk. That's how it look.
Alright, what is somebody do it? We can do it yourself, I don't know. See what she bad people, she's her own makeup artist.
I mess up makeup and me do me. Me put on the dress a while ago.
Oh.
I mean, take off my clothes.
It's strong, you know, enough party miss here, you know, and
Music.
you drink hard. Hey guys, that's something take care of my client, them, you know, when they book me, to make sure so they said alright. See how she look good? I have to make sure so my position are good and everything. Yeah. So today, as usual, I use my Nikon camera and I shoot 200 f-stop. No, sorry, f-stop they are 3.5. I used to they are 100. I don't know, so you have to let the shutter speed at 200. But these are the master. You have to make sure so you have a good flash power. The flash power give you the after light that you want to give you the good picture. Alright, let's continue.
Take the one, take out the sound and it's serious.
Yeah.
Don't break up or down. Don't be smart, break up. Don't break up or down. Don't be smart, break up. Don't break up or down. Do that.
Feel like the day that I met you, the day I ever say that you love me. If our next aunt bite me a serious something, I'm gonna just say no. Like where you walk out of my life, where you walk.
But get the angle the same way though, so you can get our side.
Take her one by your pause. Beautiful, booty, booty, booty. Like every time.
Find that? You're a circle, just make it point. Just make it point up point. But I did that. Better.
Don't break up or down. Don't be smart.
Yeah guys, so we're still up on the shoot same way. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful Portland. And show no what going on the beach side there. Yeah guys, remember if you need a wedding or a photo shoot, you can link up to me. My number is 424-185. Everything there in the description. So if you don't love this video, please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Yeah, man.
Next one, let's see it.
Yeah people. So she gonna put on the next outfit. So you know say we there wait for her and thing. In the meanwhile, go and sip a Magnum.
Sam, no. Ready?
That's it.
Ready. I don't want to do this. Hurry up before you make me regret it.
No man, yeah, do something. Do it. Move it.
I'll come back to sleep for a second. I want to open the bag. I don't want to.
Oh, that's the end of that.
Yeah, we need like the teacup that look like we get messy.
Get that boy there. Wanna look away? Can you sit there?
We'll send him home quick. Belly too big, no blood. Next one. You know the belly button?
Yeah guys, you come to the end of my video. Big up on yourself, thanks for watching. Please remember to share and hit the subscribe button. Peace out today, Johnny. On our bad shoot.
Share, like, and subscribe.
Oh, this sex media.
Subscribe to Dex Media.
Alright.
Like,
Bless up.